Some unusual noises came out while pressing brake pedal. After some parts removal, soon the problem was found. Totally corroded brake heat shield. Let's start from removing sensor wires. One wire for brake pads wear sensor and another for ABS sensor. For easier removal, use silicone spray on support bracket. Same, remove brake fluid line from support bracket. Remove brake caliper spring clip. Remove bleeding valve dust cap for fully removal of brake pads wear sensor wire from brake caliper. Remove dust caps from brake caliper studs. Remove brake caliper studs. Use a screwdriver to push inside the brake piston for easier removal of brake caliper. Remove brake caliper from support bracket. Remove brake pads. Hang on the caliper on shock strut spring. Remove support bracket by removing 2 bolts. Remove brake disc. Brake disc heat shield was already removed day before while troubleshooting was performed. Install new brake disc heat shield. Seeking better fitment, apply thread locker on the bolts. Tighten the bolts. Firmly clean axle and apply thin layer of copper grease on mating surfaces. Day before I cleaned all parts with metal brush and drill. Clean inner side of brake disc where mating surfaces take contact with axle. Use metal brush. Install brake disc on axle. Install brake caliper bracket. You can use thread locker on the bolts. Clean the brake caliper studs. Lubricate with copper grease brake pad mating surfaces with brake caliper and with brake caliper bracket. Lubricate with copper grease brake caliper bracket on brake pad's contact surface. Clean with rag excessive grease from brake disc. Install brake caliper. Lubricate and install brake caliper studs. Torque brake caliper studs. Install brake caliper studs dust caps. Install in brackets brake pads wear, ABS sensor and brake fluid lines. Install brake caliper spring clip. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe. Hope this tutorial will be useful.